Hi everybody, it's Daryl again, and now I'm just going to show you a feature of the new Transmission Gully Road. So we've just crested the top of the hill and we're heading towards the Kapiti Coast. Now at the bottom of this hill, which is an 8% grade, there's actually a pretty, I don't know, there's a nice curve around, and that curve, if you're going too fast, is not going to be good. There's some barriers there, but if you went over the barrier, you'd end up down the bank and you'd end up down on the old State Highway 1, which is now State Highway 59, I think. Anyway, what we've got here is a feature, a runaway vehicle lane. Now, so if you're going down this hill and you have brake failure, which is an important thing if you're a bus or a truck, a large vehicle, you're probably not going to get brake failure on a new modern car or van or ute or whatever. So you can see here it's signposted as a runaway vehicle ramp, and you just drive onto this yellow part right here on the left hand. Just stay dead in the middle of the yellow. Now you don't ever park on there, because runaway vehicles are going to be going down there through the road cones straight onto gravel, and your vehicle will sink into the gravel. If you're driving a big truck, it will rip the wheels off your trailer, because the wheels will bog down and you'll get stuck. Now if you hit it going kind of slower, your vehicle probably won't be damaged, but you are going to sink into a couple feet deep bed of gravel, as these police found out on the first day that the road opened. So there you go. It worked. It was a good test. Anyway, I'll just leave you there. You know what it's about. But you can see how look down the road, you can see the barrier starts going around a curve. Yep. That's the video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Yeah, have a great day. Catch you later.